What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen not responding to touches issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the side button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone your touch issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then if you have installed the screen protector, then there is maybe a issue with your screen protector. So remove the screen protector and clean your screen with a clean cloth, and after doing this the screen touch issue will be 100% fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then check for your phone software updates. So to check that, open settings, scroll down and click on system and updates, and then click on software update. Now from here check if your phone is updated to the latest version of software or not. So if your software version is not up to date, then update your mobile software, and after updating the mobile software it will fix the screen touches issue. So that's how you can fix the screen not responding to touches issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.